Hello, today we are solving Jan 2021 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel paper question number 5, part B of the question. Benson Pensions bought their shares in Port Shelter Trading PLC for 0.6 pence per share. Then Benson Pensions have the software in their ICT system which automatically sells shares when the market price of the share falls to 50% of the price paid when buying the shares. The share price of the Port Shelter Trading PLC has now fallen to 0.32. It has 50%, it has got down. Evaluate whether the software in the ICT system is beneficial to the Benson Pensions selling shares in the companies when the share price falls automatically by 50%. Is it correct? Okay, is it useful? We have to see. Now ICT software, using this ICT software means it is going to react quicker, right? So what are the things you will have to understand? So first one is it's going to react quicker, okay, faster than the human where they have to keep checking. So it reacts quicker if there is a sudden drop in the market price and sells the shelling the shares advantageous because you will stop the loss as it reduces loss further. Okay, so why do you want to sell if the market price had fallen by 50%? So because you want to reduce further loss, you might want to sell it off at least at 50% loss, okay, and rather than having 100% loss. Then if the Port Shelter Trading PLC shares appears to be dropping further, then Benson Pensions will benefit by selling them as soon as possible. So the software, it is also going to save the time, right? So if the person is sitting, okay, and he is doing, instead you are going to say he can do some other job. So it is going to save the time if they have a large portfolio of shares which needs to be watched over in person. The alternative may be to arrange a meeting to discuss the share price, which is time consuming. So every time to decide something, you might want to have a meeting. Instead, you know for the fact that you have decided that your strategy is to sell 50% when the price drops. That means you can just employ a computer, okay, and it is going to be quicker in response, and it is also going to save your time. So these are the aspects you will see. But however, what is the disadvantage is software follows one size fits all approach, and it will sell the shares regardless of the company's situations. Let's assume the company has a growth potential in which they have invested. So this Port Shelter Trading PLC might have a growth potential, but due to some news, okay, sometimes the market price might have fallen. So regardless of the company's situation, it's going to sell off. It is possible that the share price might have fallen, maybe due to a temporary reason. Okay, it might be some other reason which is not connected to the company, which is not at all related to the company, might have caused a fall. For example, like a war, okay, temporary reason, it might have fallen, but it will bounce back because the company is doing good. So, but the computer will not know, the software will not know, it will react and it is going to sell off those shares, and those shares cannot be easily bought back because the market price also will react soon to increase the price at the same time. So the market might be falling as a whole, and there could be a large number of shares sold, much reducing the size of the portfolio. The ratio for the Port Shelter Trading PLC is good, okay, they are good. What are the ratios we saw? We had calculated in the earlier part that these were the ratios we had. So the earnings per share was equal to 0.2, and the market price, okay, was around 0.32 pence, and then also the dividend per share was 9 pence per share, and dividend cover was 3.2 times. Price to earning ratio was 11 times, and dividend yield was at 2.8%, which is okay. and return on capital employed was 6.8%. So which you see that the ratios were good, that means the company was performing well. So Benson could sell shares in a company that is doing quite well and has a promising future. The shares may rise in the future. Buying the shares back may be at a higher price than at which they were sold. If for some temporary reason the market price falls by 50% and you sell off the shares, then you might not be able to buy back the same share, and you will end up paying a higher price. So if a human can decide whether the company is doing well also, but whereas the ICT software may react without thinking further. That is what we had to write. So it might not think other aspects of the situation, such as a temporary reason, probably due to a control of the outside the control of Port Shelter Trading PLC, a new change in the government, or some finance budget, introduced. It might be which might not even affect this company. So, but the market might be reacting to all the shares in the share market. So, in that case, you are going to sell off, and then you will have to pay back high price to buy back the shares. And also we can see that the ratios are good. The ratios of this company has been doing good. So which means that if it is doing and has a promising future, you might have to buy at a higher price. So in conclusion, a software might be a good idea, but you should have a good software to decide on these parameters also for investment purposes. So this is the beneficial, whether this is the evaluation for the software in IC system for selling or buying the shares. That is the